Leia. Hey everybody, this is Leia. Leia is a never pregnant, very sweet, rambunctious Bernese Mountain Dog. Her name is actually Princess Leia. We call her Leia. This right here, that would be Odie Sparkles, our kitten, who was not gaining weight when we brought her home. Kept crawling on over to the dog and trying to nurse, and then one day, yeah, there was milk. So she's nursing right now. The whole time she nurses, Leia licks her. And when she's done nursing, she looks so funny. Like a drowned rat. I think you probably hear it though. Listen to her purr. And you can hear her suckling. So friggin' sweet. Scared the crap out of us the first time. How a dog who's never been pregnant can start feeding a cat. But apparently it does happen once in a while. And look, she bathes her with her tongue just like a mommy dog would. Or a mommy kitten. Cat. Ooh, my battery just turned red. Yeah. People don't need to see that, Leia. I just wanted to show the kitty when she's done, though. There, you can see that she's like, Odie. Odie. Yeah, I was going to try to show you her all wet, but my battery's turning red, and Odie does not look like she's going to be done anytime soon. So, yep, that would be my little calico kitten who is getting milk from, as our one of our little neighbor friends once said, our calico lab. So I thought that was really funny. He goes, I know this dog. This is a calico lab. And we're like, well, no, not really. But she kind of looks like a calico lab. Like an enormous one. So yeah, that's the kitten. I think she's actually falling asleep now. All I hear is purring. Oh, no, there she goes again. Odie Sparkles. Are you almost done? Yeah, no, okay, now the licking starts. Oh well, I got as much as I could, folks. Sorry. Okay, but yeah, there you go. I'm not lying. There's my kitten nursing off my dog. Most people wouldn't believe it, but yep, there it is. Okay, bye.